Alrighty, guys, or just Miss Jensen. I don't, yeah, it's fine. Anyways, welcome back to Michelle's version of calculus, and we're on unit 4, which is just, more on derivatives. Yay! Okay, so we have 4.1, interpreting the derivative in context, which isn't really like anything crazy. It's just like derivatives in word problem form, all right? And a couple concepts you need to know or just understand. Once again, derivative the derivative of something is literally just the slope, all right? It's literally the slope, like at said point, all right? And that's a concept you really need to understand when trying to interpret derivatives, okay? Derivative is just a beautiful slope, all right? So here, when this comes into play, I have these two practice problems here. The percentage grade a student receives on a test is modeled by G of t, where t is the number of hours spent studying for the test. Interpret G prime 1 equals 3. Remember, G prime, chickies, is just the derivative. So it's derivative at 1 equals 3. And we're going to just basically physically write this out. Okay? See if I can fit this here. So at 1 hour of studying, or a student spends studying, the grade will increases at a rate of 3% per hour. One thing to note that's very important, because this lovely, lovely word here, rate, you need to make sure you have a unit, something over a specified time, all right? And in this case, it's a percentage over time. Another thing, I guess, that's kind of significant to understand, G of 1, this is kind of basically going back to algebra, is saying at 1 hour, something is 3. The grade, the percent, the grade it changes at 3%. Changes at 3%. There is no rate involved here. And it's I mean yeah. Anyways, so number 2, Mr. Bean rides his motor scooter to work some days. This distance from home can be modeled by D of t meters, where t is measured in minutes. Interpret D prime 15 equals 650, all right? Once again, this is just derivatives, all right? And derivatives are a slope, and a slope is a rate of change, all right? Remember how slope was that thing, the y1 minus, that's such a lie, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or the change of y, change of x. Look, that's basically all we're doing, just like with a new name, and a little bit more difficult because derivatives are the slope of something that changes. Anyways, back to this. So I can't draw an at symbol. At 15 minutes, Mr. Bean's distance from home is, I'm gonna draw an arrow, increasing at the rate of 650 meters per minute. Once again, important to note, you must have your unit here, guys, or you're just wrong. All right, that's all for 4.1. Quick and easy to understand, nothing too crazy there. See you next time. It's gonna get a little more difficult. Okay, bye.